First, communication. What is need of communication? Communication means passing information from one person to another person or many person. It's sometimes one-way communication, one-to-one communication, or one-to-many communication. Like WhatsApp, in which we are passing a message from one person or a group or broadcast to many persons. Okay, we are seeing a normal block diagram of communication. Block diagram of communication system. Okay, normally we see how a communication done. Okay, in which we normal taking example like telecommunication, in which how we are communicate to the another user. Okay, first, in which we are passing our sound as a input. Okay, means like first a sound, or like in WhatsApp we are passing a sound, pictures, any media or any type of data, means like sound or pictures or any data is passed in the form of input signal. Input signal, either input signal, or is also known information, one kind of information which we want to pass. Okay, this information is either developed for communicating useful information from one place to another place, or second, the information is a form of like a sound, like a speech, or it can be a picture like a TV signal. They are passing information coming from any computer or any server. Okay, this information pass towards input transducer. This input information not passed directly to the another user. It first convert this sound, picture or data signal into the electrical signal form. It is not directly transmitted to the end user. Okay, it first convert into electrical form. The input transducer block does this job. Means this conversion jobs done by a input transducer. Okay, it's commonly used in communication system like a microphone, TV, cameras, etc. Okay, then it transmit the data in the form of electrical media. It transmit the data. Transmitter, user transmitter use the transmitter to transmit their data in the information in the form of in electrical format. Okay, the information in the form of electrical format. Okay, the transmitter, the function of transmitter to convert this block in electrical equivalent of information in suitable format, means sometimes need to level up of the signal, or sometimes increase the order of the range of a transmission signal according to the receiver or according to the channel level. The range of power are increased. The transmitter pass the signal over the communication channel or communication medium. Means the transmitter pass this information toward the common channel or medium. The channel is known as a communication channel. Okay, it is a path for a transmitter of electrical signal from one place to another. The communication medium can consider like a wire, cable, optic fiber or any free space. Depending on the communication medium, the two types of communication system are exist. First is wire communication and another wireless communication. In wire, it also known as a line communication, and wireless is also known as a radio communication. When we transmit from input signal towards the output signal, there some noise are added. Noise is also known as unwanted electrical signal, or some garbage noise are added in it. If noise are more, it is a big problem for communication. So we need to filter the noise unless we can't receive a proper signal or we can't get a proper message from user. After a communication channel, it's passed towards the receiver. Here is a transmitter for transmit. Here a receiver to receive. Receiver's same process, it convert electrical signal into our proper format using amplifier, demodifier to convert it into the suitable format. It is sometimes considered as electronic circuit like mixer, oscillator, detector or amplifier. It passes information to the output transducer. Receiver transfer to the output transducer. Input transducer pass information towards the transmitter. This output transducer convert the electrical signal at the output receiver back to the original form like a sound or TV pictures. The typical example of output transducer are loudspeaker, picture tube or computer monitor, in which we are storing a data in hard disk. They are formed in electrical or byte, and they are, when we open the particular file, we see that pictures. They are the output transducer pass information in the original format. Pass information in original form. It is a simple form of the block diagram of communication system.